And with AI being the big buzzword of the day, we wanted to talk a little bit about AI and CRO and what that means and what that doesn't mean. Umair, what are your thoughts?
Thank you so much, Melinda. Yeah, I've been speaking to a lot of founders lately, DTC founders, and this is something I'm hearing a lot. We need to use AI. Like, how do we use AI right now? How can it benefit me immediately? There's a lot of nuances going into this. AI is an accelerator. It's not a be it, end all, and it doesn't do any magic immediately. It just accelerates the process of data gathering, understanding that data, how it's happening. It's still up to the business logic to use that data effectively for the benefit of the business. You cannot completely blindly use AI across the entire funnel, but there are going to be like opportunities throughout the conversion funnel where AI can be used to enhance and accelerate the process, whether that be learning or testing or understanding what the user intent is dynamically and as efficiently as possible.
Makes sense. Any other closing thoughts?
I think AI should be treated as a tool for all founders. They have to understand it's not about, uh, it's like an Excel sheet on rocket fuel, but it's nothing more than that. It cannot give you new insights. It can help you get to those insights faster. It can help get to a prediction phase where data can be like past can be used to predict the future and to help us accelerate the whole process, but it cannot be used as a replacement for the existing features. You are still talking to humans, and the customer is a human. The customer is not the robot. So that's where the big disconnect happens. It's AI is a tool to reach the customer, not be the customer itself.